abilidad at karanasan. Yan ang naging sangkap upang kilalanin siya bilang isa sa pinakamagagaling na chef sa Pilipinas. Nag-aral ng culinary arts dito pati sa Australia. Nagtayo ng sariling Asian restaurant at pumatok ang kanyang natatanging timpla. Dahil dyan, napili siyang maging hurado ng Junior Master Chef.
Sun component ka namang...
Kaibigan, Chef JP or James. Welcome to Manila. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Kailan mo nalaman that you had, a talent for cooking, for culinary?
Well, when my mom started, my mom kasi is not a very good cook. Sorry, Mom. Pero she's not your typical housewife.
Hindi siya masyado mahusay magluto, pero mahilig kumain ang mami?
Doktor siya kasi.
Okay, alright. So,
magaling siya na doktor.
Magaling na doktor, alright.
Optometry siya.
So dahil sa hindi nagluluto ang mami, what happened?
So yun, so I would always, I can't stand the food at the house, so pumunta ako sa bahay ng tita ko. And yung tita ko, magaling magluto.
Sa Bacolod dito?
Sa Bacolod.
Okay.
And then yung lolo ko kasi Inchik. So yun, yung tita ko magaling sa Chinese food. So that's why right now I'm specializing
in Chinese
food. Because of
food. Okay.
Of
How old were you?
I started making fried rice when I was 7.
Wow,
yeah,
okay.
Pero yun, for fried rice,
Isang beses dalhan mo kami dito ng fried rice.
Sige.
Okay, alright. Okay. Pero ito, JP, paano namin malalaman ang isang chef mahusay?
When you cook food consistently day in and day out.
Okay.
Say, masama you have a bad mood, you have a cold, you're sick, and you're still cooking good food. That's a chef.
Okay. Alright. So hindi attach sa mood mo o di kaya sa halimbawa may inspirasyon o walang inspirasyon. When you're good, you're good. Period.
Yes.
Pagkakaiba ng kusinero at saka chef?
Chef, they go to school, they go through the ranks in the kitchen. Parang sundalo. Private, kapitan, general. Ganun yung kusinero.
So nag-aral ang chef?
Yeah, or dumaan sa mga proper...
Academe?
Yes. May hierarchy ng kusinero.
May kinalaman yan dun sa taas ng, ang tawag doon? Toke. Okay. The higher daw the toke, the higher your rank. Is that true?
Siguro before.
Ngayon wala na.
Ngayon wala na. No one really wears a toke anymore.
No one bothers.
No.
Okay, because I love wearing that. Okay. Halimbawa, nag-aral lang ako sa isang manang, sa isang kinanay, halimbawa, sa pagluluto. Wala akong karapatan tawagin ang sarili ko ng chef. Pwede ba ako ikulong, idemanda?
Hindi naman.
Or meron ba kayong regulatory board?
No.
You know what I'm saying? Like nurses and doctors.
Like example, Margarita Flores. She's very successful.
She's one of the best.
One of the best. She doesn't even call herself a chef.
Of course, but we insist on calling her a chef.
Yes.
Okay, but she doesn't like to be called a chef dahil hindi siya nag-aral sa universidad.
Yes.
Ika nga.
Yeah.
Pero nag-immersion naman si Gaita sa Italia.
Yes. She went to mga manangs.
Mga manangs. At doon natuto talaga mag...
Yeah.
Okay.
So it depends kung ano yung daan mo bilang kusinero or chef. Yung chef is a title.
So, okay. Sa disiplina ng pagiging chef, ikinaklaro ko lamang ito, wala itong opisina na nagsasabing, okay, ikaw ay isang chef na ngayon. Walang, yung parang, alam mo yun, yung nursing or medicine. Walang ganon.
Kumbaga, you earn your stripes. You go through...
I get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Sa pagluluto, ikaw, JP, do you stick to the rules or ikaw ba'y ma-adventure na...
No, I don't.
You don't stick to the rules?
No.
Okay. Example?
I cook whatever I see. Like, I was in La Union 2 weeks ago. Whatever I saw there, I cook. And I've never made those dishes before.
Katulad?
I made a oyster omelette with quesong puti.
Okay.
Parang ganun. I made a...
Para kayong mga painters, mga pintor, no? Kung anong elemento na nakikita.
Yeah.
Bukas na, mga kaibigan, ang finale night ng Junior Master Chef. Okay, what can we expect?
You'll expect the top 4 kiddie cooks in the country going up against each other.
You have a favorite? It's bad, no?
I have a lot of favorites. They're all my favorites. You know, we have Jobim, we have Kyle, we have Philip, we have Mika. They're all very good in their own right. Lahat sila may mga strengths.
They're all very good. They're all very good.
Yeah.
That's true. Anong natutunan mo dito sa mga batang ito?
To be compassionate. To be more, kasi in the kitchen I'm very strict. And then with these kids, I'm more relaxed. I play, I laugh around with them. And then you really can't give them a bad comment. Say if the food is matabang, you can say, sana dinagdagan mo pa ng asin, ganun.
Pero masungit ka talaga sa kitchen.
Masungit ako.
Pero hindi ba nakaka-epekto sa lasa? Kasi may nagsasabi na pag halimbawa hindi raw masayang yung disposisyon, hindi raw masarap ang yung pagkain.
Depende.
Depende naman.
Depende.
Okay. Pero may mga kasabihan tayo. Ito'y gusto ko lamang daanan kasama ka, Chef JP. Totoo ba na kapag ikaw ay kumakanta habang nagluluto, di ka raw magkakaanak?
No.
Pero narinig mo na yon? Hindi pa.
I don't believe in myths.
You don't? Dapat dadaanan ko lang ito.
Sige.
Totoo ba na pag kumain ka raw ng kambal na saging, kambal ang iyong magiging anak pag ikay buntis?
No.
Interesting, no? Totoo ba na bawal ang magtuktok ng sandok sa kawali at mabibingi ka?
No.
May ganon. Totoo ba na ilulubog mo ang kutsara kasabay ng pagluluto para mas mapabilis itong mapalambot?
Yun, totoo yun.
Bakit?
Di ba heat conductor yung spoon?
Okay.
And it helps, if you ilubog mo, nag-help siya distribute ng heat sa loob.
Kaya napapabilis.
So, di ba yung fire galing lang sa
Right.
labas? Pero kung may spoon sa loob,
Pati sa gilid.
pati sa loob.
Sa
Parang,
loob.
parang
Oo.
microwave, kumbaga.
Okay. Pero ito rin, kasi ginagawa namin to sa bahay at mga nanay, totoo ba na pag naglagay ng asin sa takip ng kaldero, mas mabilis ang pagluto ng sinaing?
May isang kiddie cook na ginawa niya yun. Hindi ko alam yung dahilan actually, to be honest. Pero ginawa niya and it worked.
It did. Si
Yeah.
MJ rin, my producer, sabi niya, naglalagay talaga siya ng asin at it works, no?
Yeah. There's some, I think...
Sa susunod natin pagkikita, you have to explain that to me.
I don't believe in myths.
You don't? Okay. Totoo ba na pag ito nga, yung sinasabi natin, pag masaya ka raw nagluluto, mas lalong sumasarap ang iyong niluluto?
Totoo yun, totoo yun,
ha?
totoo yun.
Okay. Chef, mabilisan lamang. Maanghang o matamis?
Manghang.
Sa pag-ibig.
Manghang.
Paboritong sinigang?
Sinigang ni Juday.
Napakasarap. Gulay?
Tofu.
Best time to cook, if there is any?
Pag nakainom.
Wow, okay. Healthy, nakainom, as in umiinom ka talaga?
Oo. Hindi, pag sa restaurant, hindi.
Hindi.
Kasi, yun nga, you have to be
But in
consistent.
the house, halimbawa, when
Yeah,
you...
when you're at parties or when you're at the beach.
Okay,
Yeah.
you do it best.
Yes.
Healthiest food.
Tofu again.
Most effective aphrodisiac.
Oysters.
Is it true? It's not a myth, huh?
It's the texture.
Okay. Food that best describes you as a chef.
Inasal.
Okay, you were quoted to have said in an interview that a good serving of oyster is the best way to win a girl's heart.
I guess it goes back to the texture again and the
It does.
taste.
It
Yeah.
does. It
Yeah.
does. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, somebody was telling me just before we did this interview, now, you know, when you do Chef Japes, he's very good looking. How do you handle people who have a crush on you? I mean, girls just going to Junior Master Chef and saying, Chef, may crush po ako sa'yo.
I don't know, cause
You're shy?
No naman. I'm a restaurateur, and this is what I do. I entertain people.
interact with people.
Yeah, I make sure that they're having a great time. So, I don't know. Yeah, this is something new actually.
Okay.
When I go to a karinderya, yung mga manang, "Uy, chef! Extra rice, extra ulam." So,
Okay.
that's
I
the cool
also
part.
heard from friends that since you appeared on the show, parang girls have become more, you have become more attractive to girls. Is that true?
I guess, yeah.
JP, halimbawa lamang, you're the pearly gates.
Aha.
Naroon si San Pedro at sasabihin niya, papapasukin kita, JP. Pero, kailangan magluto ka para sa akin. Anong ihahanda mo para kay San Pedro at bakit?
Manok. Hainanese chicken.
Hainanese
Oh, puti, heavenly.
chicken. Oh,
And then
wow.
with a lot of chili sauce.
Sasabihin ni San Pedro, pasok ka na, anak. At makakain na. JP, maraming salamat.
Thank you
And all the
very
best.
much. Thank
Good
you.
luck to Junior Master Chef.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Chef JP, ikaw na.
Tito Boy, ikaw gidya.